This is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Today I have this very sparkly purple smoky eye. If you are at all curious on how I did this look, peoples, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So let's get started. Happy New Year's. If you guys are going out, I hope that some of you guys will try this look out. Before we started this video, I did go ahead and do my brows. If you'll notice that I did reshape them, I'm going for a more dramatic look, so they are much thicker. I almost scared my kids when I walked out the room with these brows. That's the look we're going for, very dramatic. I'm in with the matte color called Haux. I'm going in with the e.l.f. fluffy brush. Going for a very elongated look, very winged out. We're going to start placing our shape early on. What are you guys all doing for New Year's? Some of you guys going out. Typically, our church will have something called a watch night service where we will welcome in the new year. So it'll start usually around 10. This year they're not having it. I would rock this to church is what I would do. I usually do very dramatic looks for church on New Year's Eve because why not? So today I'm going to be rocking this look with my kiddos. So you just want to make sure that this color is placed pretty thick, or elongating, getting right up against that tape. The next color we're going to use is also a matte color. It is Vibrant Grape. And I am taking a Morphe E27. And I'm going to concentrate this color more on the inner part of my eye. Just using a windshield wiper, going back and forth. Typically for New Year's, I don't like to really go out. I just don't really like big crowds. And just the thought of something popping off, like some kind of problem occurring, like it always scared me off. This look is very easy. That's why I'm posting it late. No, that's not the reason. I just couldn't get my camera to be set up. I'm going in now with the Maybelline tattoo. I'm just using my ring finger. I'm going to place that on the inner part of my eye. They have a very weird numbering for the Maybelline tattoos. Add that somewhere on the screen. You don't have to be too careful with this either. We're using this just as a base. I'm going in with this beautiful Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever uses numbers for their colors, like that's how they identify them. And so this is number 92. So you can take any flat shader brush. And this is a matte color, so there's no shimmer or sheen. And I intentionally wanted to do that because we are going in with all that glitter. So I was going back and forth with one of my subscribers. Her name is Lethal Kitten. I will add her here. Love how she plays with colors. Super blending queen. And always uses very bright colors. And we were talking about finding a purple that really has good color payoff, especially for mattes. Juvia's Place palettes assume that because most of the colors have such a good payoff, that purple in there would be great, but it's actually not. It's pretty patchy. Out of my stash, I think this Makeup Forever would be the best one. If you know of any beautiful purples that have good color payoff without having to work so hard, like as you can see, I'm working really hard to get this color to work. Comment below and let me know, because I would like to get a purple that's pretty intense that I don't have to work towards. I like that this one is actually pretty vibrant. It's just, I'd like something that you don't have to so much time stacking it on there. I'm just going to go back in to blur out any harsh lines. Out on the outer, I'm going to add in that Haux color, which is a beautiful kind of muted purple. Again, I am going right up against that tape because we do want to elongate, give that cat look. I'm just wiping off that same brush and I'm going in with that Vibrant Grape. And I'm going to concentrate that right in the inner part of my eye. So next is actually the wing liner. I'm going in with my Maybelline Blackest Black Gel Liner. And I'm just taking just the liner brush. And I'm going to try to stay in frame while doing this. Like the liner, as you can see on this side, I do want it to get pretty close to touching my brows. And then I'm going to bring it in. You just want to take your time and try to make cousins. So do you guys do New Year's resolutions? I do. I'm a big goal setter. I know nothing magical happens when the clock strikes 12 a.m. But for me, it's a good time for me to really reset myself. Next, I'm just gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hands just to give me a bit more control. I'm going in with this beautiful matte glitter in Lavender Halogram. So I just put that color in a lid just so it's easier for me to use. First, I am gonna take that brush and I'm taking that primer and I'm just gonna go right on top of the gel liner. So as I was saying, there's nothing magical that happens on New Year's. What I like to do is I kind of go through on the goals that I've set for the year and reevaluate, did I reach those goals? And are there any new adventures or new things that I want to do with the upcoming year? I will say this, when using glitters, especially a glitter that's this chunky, please be very careful and use common sense. I know common sense is not common to everybody, but close your eyes when you're about to put that glitter on there, peoples. So you just want to make sure that you get the glue everywhere that black liner is, because that's going to be our base. Everywhere that glue is where our glitter will go. Taking that same brush with that glue, I'm just going to place it right on top. Eventually close my eyes when the glitter gets closer. Really make sure that glitter touches that outer part. I would like it to be very sharp and I want a lot of glitter. And if you want it as chunky as mine's is, take your time with putting the glitter on top. Of course, it is going to get on your lash line, but you can clean that out with the spoolie later. I am really stacking that on top. So people, keep your eyes closed. I'm going to get out of frame a little bit because I just want to make sure that I am really stacking that on top. I think this is a very simple but dramatic look. And of course, you know I'm going to go in with 2 lip options. One for those who are a little bit more daring, and then those who just feel like there's enough drama in their eye look. You just do it to where you're satisfied. There's gonna be glitter everywhere, just a warning. So just taking a spoolie, you just wanna shake off some of that glitter that's on your actual lashes before opening your eyes. So I'm just shaking off that extra glitter that's on my lashes so that when I open my eyes, I don't blind myself. And then the fun part, try to clean all this stuff off before you put on your foundation, all right? The fun part, peeling off the tape. Isn't that the coolest thing? My wing liner are definitely cousins because one is a tad bit higher, but trust me, especially for those who are gonna go in with a much fuller lash, don't worry about it, it's fine. Because I want the drama to be in the glitter versus the drama to be in the lashes. So I am just going to go in with the Ardell wispy lashes. I'm intentionally pushing them out so they're more wispy towards the side versus pushing them into the inner eye because I want them to be a little bit more dramatic and everything to be more elongated to the side. So I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and the rest of my face, and then I'll be back and we'll finish up our eye look. Alrighty? So I have the rest of my face on, and now let's go ahead and finish up this look. For my brown bone area, I am going to go in with a large foundation brush, and I'm going in with my favorite highlight color, which is rice paper. And I'm just going to dab that right on top. I'm just going to use any fluffy dome brush just to blend out my highlight color with the rest of my shadow. I'm just going to take some same black gel liner. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Going in with a chisel shader brush, I'm going to take that vibrant grape and get that right up against my bottom lash line. I just want to smoke that out. Just to add a little more drama. It's New Year's. I do want to add a little bit of silver glitter in my inner tear ducts. So again, I'm going in with that glitter primer. This is any silver glitter. I don't know the name, but it's very bright. Look how pretty and sparkly. Can you guys see that? How pretty and sparkly that is? And I'm going to take that same brush. I'm just going to add that right in the inner tear ducts. Just to add a little. Take that glitter. But my camera died. I did go ahead and add that silver glitter right in the inner tear ducts area. I think it looks great. For those who want to go in with a neutral lip, I will go ahead and do that first. And then for those of you who are going all glam, all New Year's Eve, we will do that next. I'm going in with Selfie by NYX, just so that it's not too pale. I'm going in with Max Angel. This is our final look. I absolutely love it. Overall, I just pray that you guys will have a very prosperous new year and that you're safe while you're celebrating. God bless you. So thank you so much to all of my subscribers this year. So appreciative you taking the time to view these videos. So for you guys who are daring out there, this is the second lip color, and it's basically just a silver pigment from Ben Nye, and then I topped it off with the silver glitter, which I just used my glitter primer to apply that. This is a bit in your face. This is a bit crazy, but I rock it. God bless you guys. Good night.